The sky is calling again, and this time it's louder, sharper, and more thrilling than ever before. DJI, the king of drones, is about to do it again. After months of rumors, leaks, and wild speculation, the next revolution in FPV flight is finally on the horizon. Get ready, because the DJI Avata 3 is officially coming, and it's going to change everything. Imagine a drone so intelligent, so immersive, and so powerful that it blurs the line between human instinct and machine precision. A drone that doesn't just fly, it feels alive. With next-gen sensors, cinematic 6K power, improved flight time, and safety tech straight out of science fiction, the Avata 3 is set to dominate the skies. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a declaration that the future of flight has arrived. So buckle up, pilots, because what DJI is about to unleash will take FPV to heights we've never seen before. The drone world is buzzing again, and this time the noise is louder, sharper, and far more thrilling than ever before. DJI, the undisputed king of the skies, is once again preparing to redefine the limits of aerial cinematography and FPV flight with its next masterpiece, the DJI Avata 3. After months of speculation, leaks, and whispers from insiders, it's finally happening. The Avata 3 is officially coming, and if you thought the Avata 2 was the ultimate fusion of cinematic precision and adrenaline-packed first-person flight, you might want to fasten your seatbelts, because what DJI is preparing next will quite literally change the way we experience flight forever. The DJI Avata 3 isn't just another upgrade, it's a revolution in motion, a statement that DJI isn't done pushing boundaries. Every new DJI release feels like a glimpse into the future, but this time, it feels personal, like the company has been listening carefully to the pilots, creators, and dreamers who have flown, crashed, and captured moments with Avata drones all around the world. The Avata 2 was a major leap forward, combining power, agility, and safety in a way no FPV drone had before. But as every pilot knows, perfection is a moving target, and DJI's engineers are relentless when it comes to chasing that next evolution. So, what can we expect from the Avata 3? Early leaks and insider reports suggest that DJI has redesigned almost everything, from the flight performance to the image sensor, from stabilization algorithms to immersive control experience. The Avata 3 is rumored to feature an upgraded 1-inch sensor capable of capturing stunning 6K footage at higher bit rates, producing imagery so sharp and color-rich it could rival professional cinema cameras. DJI understands that for creators, image quality is everything, and this drone aims to deliver nothing short of visual perfection, even at top speeds, even in the tightest corners of an urban landscape or through the dense textures of a forest trail. Beyond the visuals, the new Avata is also about feeling, that sense of control, connection, and thrill that makes FPV flight such an addictive experience. DJI's redesigned motion controller is expected to bring even more natural, human-like responsiveness, making the Avata 3 feel like an extension of your own instincts. Pilots are anticipating finer control sensitivity, improved latency, and better integration with DJI Goggles 3, which themselves are rumored to come with higher refresh rates, better color accuracy, and sharper micro-OLED displays. The goal is immersion, true,